This delicious Greek-baked pasta with feta and herbs takes about 45 minutes to prepare and serves 4 to 6 people. Imagine tender pasta tossed in a savory tomato sauce, infused with fragrant herbs like oregano and thyme, then topped with crumbled feta cheese and baked until bubbling and golden. Finished with fresh parsley and optional black olives, this dish offers a perfect combination of creamy, tangy, and hearty flavors that will tempt your taste buds and impress everyone at your table. Get ready to enjoy a comforting, flavorful meal full of Greek-inspired goodness, absolutely irresistible. Let's now check the ingredients. 400 grams pasta, penne or rigatoni. 200 grams feta cheese, crumbled. 2 cups tomato sauce. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves, garlic, minced. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Salt to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Black olives, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the pasta in boiling salted water until al dente, then drain and set aside. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat and sauté chopped onions until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add minced garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Pour in the tomato sauce, then stir in dried oregano, thyme, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Combine the cooked pasta with the tomato sauce mixture and transfer to a baking dish. Crumble the feta cheese over the pasta mixture evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until bubbling and golden around the edges. Remove from oven and garnish with chopped fresh parsley and black olives if using. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.